Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to your daily Bitcoin update. Yeah, I just wanted to do an update because I cover this daily, right? But in terms of the technicals, not much has changed. I must say that it really does look like Bitcoin is a little bit more bullish rather than neutral, all right? Because what I've said in the last couple of videos, and I still do stand by that. But what I've said is that it's most likely that Bitcoin right now is consolidating, all right? So that it's consolidating in this range between 35,000 and 37,600. But then obviously one of the first things you'll say is that, well, all right, maybe, but it has only touched 35,000 once. And every time it touches the resistance or the support, it finds a lot of support. But when it touches the resistance, it barely finds any resistance. And that is true, all right? And you can also see that in general, let's say since this week, so since Sunday, the price has actually respected these two EMAs fairly well. There was one moment, obviously after the news on Tuesday, that the price dropped down below that. But apart from that, it has respected that. And yeah, I mean, it's testing that resistance at 37,600 and 38,000 quite well, right? So it's testing it while not finding that much resistance. So I wanted to start off with saying that it really is a possibility that Bitcoin breaks out here, all right? At some point of time, and I've said this before in my videos, at some point of time, I still expect Bitcoin to break above this level around 38,000 and to get up towards the levels around 40,000. So that is what I expect, but my thesis remains that it's most likely to consolidate first. And the sole reason for that is that I think we need a little bit more fundamentals to really push above that. I think the fundamentals are bullish right now for Bitcoin. That's why the price is so high. But I think it's hard to get a bullish breakout like that and then not have any bullish fundamentals. It's a possibility, right? So I do want to stress that, but I don't see it happening. I still think, and that's also, if you take a look at the price right now, there's a ton of liquidity right here between 37,800 and 38,200. So I expect, and that's also what I said yesterday, usually those huge liquidity pockets act as resistance. So what I still think is most likely, and then to the downside, you have a lot of liquidity right here between 36,800 and 36,200. So purely technically, with also blending in the fundamentals, I'd say it's most likely that Bitcoin will test 37,800 and 38,200. But I see no clear reason why it would break above that. So I think it's more likely that afterwards it will pull back down to 36,800 and then down to the areas at least around 36,000, perhaps 35,800. And then stay in this consolidation, right? So that's this, if I am able to grab a rectangle, this consolidation. I still think that's most likely, but that really, I mean, today, like, the thing is, and I know I've said this often right now in this video, but the thing is, I want you to be prepared. If we really break above 38,000 and it's held as support, then the price is going to rally up higher. And that's a possibility because the fundamentals are bullish. The technicals are more bullish than bearish. If those are the only two options. And it's a Friday, which Fridays usually are quite volatile. So I expect bullish momentum short term. It's a possibility that we break out, but I don't expect it. But yeah, from that momentum, I expect a retracement down to the bottom of the range. So position yourself accordingly. Know what's possible, know what's coming, and for now, those are my thoughts. All right, so if you do have any questions, anything, let me know down in the comments. And lastly, if you're interested in that, I also have my premium group, my own premium group, and my and a signals group. Lots of value in there, but that's up to you. All right, if you want to check that out, links to that will be down in the description. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.